Well, it was a pretty nice weekend, though a little breezy yesterday. Pretty good north winds around the area, especially if you're anywhere near the sound. There's the high pressure building into the north of us, which is going to be giving us some sunny days, in fact, some hot days as we head towards the middle part of the week. Looking out from our Tacoma Tower cam right now, you can see Mount Rainier starting to brighten up there as we get closer to that sunrise. And you can see the Tacoma Dome flag not showing much wind right now. We'll see a little bit of north wind today, but probably not as strong as what we saw on Sunday. Looking out from Queen Anne, we've got the almost full moon out there, slowly working its way towards the horizon. A nice morning out there as well. And you can see there at Granite Falls High School, it's just bright enough now. You can still see a little bit of snow up there on the peak at this point. Checking temperatures this morning. It's kind of a cool morning once again. It was kind of cool yesterday morning. We opened the house up early yesterday morning, and then suddenly I noticed the heat had come on because it dropped down into the low to mid 60s. So it is definitely still cool in the mornings. We have a lot of low to mid 40s, especially down in the south sound. We've seen a couple places like Clallam Bay that have dropped down into the upper 30s. So definitely a little chilly out there this morning. And to higher highs this afternoon, which were mostly upper 60s and low 70s yesterday, will be right back there again today. Not a big change from yesterday. The heat doesn't really arrive until we head towards midweek. So we were talking about the last time. We are starting to see at the higher levels, starting to see some northeast winds. That is going to give some smoke haze moving out over the northern portion of the interior there, it looks like, as we head towards this evening. But it's going to be primarily higher level smoke. It won't be near the ground. In fact, we take a look at the surface smoke. You can see it stays mostly, it works down and mainly goes into the Cascades, it looks like, as we head towards later on this evening. Really doesn't do anything in terms of air quality. That's expected to be good today and tomorrow. So just you might see a little bit of haze, especially if you're up there north of Everett in the afternoon, late afternoon and evening, it looks like, today on into early on tomorrow. Take a look at those temperatures as we head towards midweek. We are going to be looking for the today to be mostly getting into the 60s to low 70s. Might see a few mid 70s down in the south sound, but then we definitely start to warm up as we head towards tomorrow. We're going to be seeing the temperatures in the 70s, some low to maybe some mid 80s down in the extreme sound as we head towards Tuesday. And then as we head towards Wednesday, that's going to be our hottest day of the week, getting into the mid to maybe some upper 80s down in the south sound, staying mostly in the 70s and low 80s, roughly from about Everett northward. And then we start a little bit of a slow cool down as we head towards the end of the week, and might actually start to see a few showers as we head towards the end of the week. In fact, as we head on towards Thursday, we'll still see that warm day, and then we cool a lot as we head into Friday, back into the low 70s. Partly sunny. Could be some thunderstorms in the Cascades in the afternoon. Can't rule out some of those drifting out over Puget Sound potentially later in the day on Friday. And then over the weekend, it looks like we're going to see partly sunny skies, chance of a few scattered rain showers around, and high temperatures still pretty comfortable, running mostly in the low 70s.